Today I have a Norwegian Cruise Line update, and I have a hurricane in the Caribbean causing itinerary changes. We're going to get into it right after this. Chris with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so up first is going to be Norwegian Cruise Lines. Norwegian Cruise Lines has extended their fully vaccination requirement from October the 31st out to December the 31st of 2021. So the remainder of this year, Norwegian Cruise Lines is going to be a 100% vaccinated cruise only. 100% of the crew, 100% of the passengers, meaning that if you are unvaccinated or unable to get the vaccination, you are not currently eligible to take a Norwegian cruise. And Hurricane Grace, which is currently a Category 1 hurricane with wind speeds up to 80 miles per hour, is heading over Cozumel, Mexico, and this has caused cruise lines to require itinerary changes. Remember, itineraries are not set in stone, and things like hurricanes will definitely cause the cruise lines to change their plans because the safety of the passengers, the safety of the crew, and the safety of the ship always come first. So Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas and Allure of the Seas have both decided to skip their Cozumel stop due to the hurricane. And on the Carnival side, the Carnival Breeze and the Carnival Vista, both of those two ships will also be skipping their Cozumel, Mexico stop this week. Now, all of these ships are already currently out at sea, so the passengers on board have already been made aware of these itinerary changes. And as long as the hurricane does what it's supposed to do and moves off and dissipates, there of course will not be any future itinerary changes. These were simply done because of weather and not any other reason. Like I said, safety, safety, safety. That is always the first priority. All right, so that is it. Just a quick cruise news update we have for y'all this morning. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.